Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video is all about a Focus RS that we're securing with something called an Autowatch Ghost immobiliser. You would have heard of it before, either on our channel or if you're looking into security, this security system will pop up quite a bit. So we're the experts in Cambridge. All our work gets done from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So you know everything is done in a controlled workshop environment by the best. So today's video, we're talking all about Ghost. I'm going to be jumping inside the car, showing you exactly how the system works, so you know exactly what you'd be getting if you were to buy this product and add it onto your Focus RS. So firstly, what is a Ghost immobiliser? It is, in essence, an immobiliser that you have the factory key in place. There's no buttons, nothing on display here. It is all integrated into like your factory controls. So you can jump in your car, even if you gave your mate your key, you could literally give him your key and say, drive my car away. Nothing would happen. So I'm going to demonstrate that to start with. So I've got the factory key, I'm not going to input a code, and we unlock the car, we get in, and the car does not start. So that's basically what it does. It sends a blocking signal via what's called CAN bus down to the car to say, basically, don't start. And that's how simple the product is. But to obviously use your car day in, day out, you basically set a PIN code. So a bit like a PIN code on your phone, for example, you set a 4 to 20 digit number or code or password that you enter into your car to be able to start it. So it's unique to you. You can customize this as many times as you want. If you wanted to, you could change it every day. Obviously, that's a bit over the top, but you could do, or if you're giving it to a mate for the weekend or something, or taking it in for a dealership, or giving someone your code, after that you can change it and you can customize this as many times as you like. So now what I'm going to do is show you how to start the car. I've got the factory key. What I'm going to do, rather than just putting my foot on the clutch and pressing the start button straight away, you actually press the ignition button on, so without putting the clutch in. Then you enter your unique password. So we set an easy code to begin with, obviously, so you can get used to it. Then we let that when you customize that as well when you're here. So we show you how to change that code in a little manual as well. But so the little code that we're using at the moment is so we're moving mirror up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've entered my code, so that's 4 digits. My indicators are now flashing. I can now put my clutch in and start up the car. And away we go, we're ready to drive. So it's as simple as that. There's nothing else that you need to do to be able to use your car, but you know that without entering that code in that same sequence that I've just done, your vehicle is not going anywhere. So it's that extra peace of mind that you know you've got a custom code to secure your vehicle. It's no touch pen, it's nothing like that, and it's a really secure method of actually keeping your vehicle in your ownership. So that's basically a bit of an overview on how you start your car. There is also something called a service mode. So for instance, if you're taking your vehicle over to the main dealer, so you're taking it to Ford for a service, basically you can set, you obviously might not want to give them your code, so you set something called a service mode. So it's 5 button presses of a little button that we show you inside the vehicle, a factory button, and what that does is it kind of turns off Ghost for a little bit of time. Basically there's set kind of protocols and procedures built into Ghost that allow it to still secure the vehicle. But I could set it, drive up to the dealership, put it in service mode. I can then give the keys over to the service advisor. They can jump in my car, drive it into their workshop, carry out the service and return it back to me. And then we can go back into Ghost mode. But one really cool thing about service modes, there's extra layers of protection in there. So if you drive above 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes, basically next time the vehicle needs to start, the vehicle requires the Ghost again. So there are extra layers of protection which we run through all with you, either over the phone when you're inquiring or when you come in and see us. But yeah, overall, it's a really simple, easy to use product that adds an extra layer of security on your asset and keeps it in your ownership. Ghost is what's called tacit approved. It's not got factual approval, but it's that extra peace of mind knowing that you've got a really cool bit of kit securing your vehicle. A lot of time we do partner this with a tracking system as well, so make sure you go check out that video as well. We've got loads on our YouTube channel. But yeah, both products, the Ghost and the tracker plus theft block, are a really cool way of securing your vehicle. So one of the big problems with keyless entry cars like this one, so I've got the factory key here, I'm going to lock the car, and obviously away it goes, it's locked. there is a massive increase in vehicle theft for basically something called key cloning, where you might have seen videos of it online, where they come up to your house with a little box, go up to your window, and then they've got another guy sat near your car, hovering another box near your car, and basically it's called a key cloning. So they basically take your keys information, your car is constantly looking for this key, they basically mimic that, extend that range, and it opens your car. So if you've got keyless entry like this, where you just basically have the key in proximity and the car just opens without actually pressing the unlock button, this little box is really important. So I have one of these at my house as well. I know that I can go home and have my vehicle protected as another layer of protection, where all I do is put the key inside the box and leave it at home. They're nice looking boxes, they do different colors, black, blue, gray, you name it. They've got loads of different colors which look really nice to suit your interior of your house. You keep the key locked away in here overnight, and look, doesn't matter what happens, however close I get, and obviously if that's in your house, that vehicle is now protected from someone getting in. Then you've got your tracking system or your Ghost immobiliser that we added onto the car, protecting the car in case of an emergency later on outside, away from your home, when you're not protected by theft block. So these are incredible bits of kit. And we've actually got a discount code, which is CBS10, which is in the description as well. So make sure you go check out Theft Block. You can order that directly from their website, or give us a call and we can arrange all of that for you as well. But yeah, 10% off right now, guys. CBS10, that's all in the description. But yeah, really cool bit of kit. And that is another layer of protecting your car. And it's also quite a nice looking box that can sit inside your house and protect your vehicle as another layer of protection. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Plus, if you're interested in having something like this installed from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge, please get in contact with us. All of our contact details is in the description below. But thank you again so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.